Hey there, it's Tamara. What I want to talk about today is tinnitus and what it sounds like. I can't speak for anybody else but myself. I know from listening to other people speak about it, tinnitus can sound like ringing, buzzing, whooshing, high-pitched, low-pitched. There are so many different ways that tinnitus can sound. To me, because my tinnitus is somatic, my tinnitus started when I had a head trauma. And so somatic tinnitus is linked to physical movement and body mechanics. My tinnitus changes every single day. I'd say somewhere between 4 and 6 different sounds that alternate. Sometimes I have a pattern and I can kind of guess what's coming the next day. And sometimes it's just all over the place and I have no idea what I'm going to wake up to. My most common sounds are the cricket / cicada and like a high pitch ring, and then also a kind of raspy whooshing kind of sound. But I do get other sounds. And what's difficult sometimes is finding a sound therapy that works for like this wide range of sounds that you might have. So for me, I try to find sound therapy that like a sound therapy for each sound. So when I have the cricket or cicada sound, I have a specific go-to sound therapy that I listen to. When I have the other sounds, I have a specific sound therapy that I go to for those sounds. And your sound therapy shouldn't be drowning out your tinnitus. You should still be able to hear both. You want your brain to hear both. So you want your sound therapy to be just loud enough to take the edge off of your tinnitus, but you still want your brain to be able to hear your tinnitus. I will put a link below of the therapies that I use. Maybe they'll be helpful to you, and maybe you can tell me what your tinnitus sounds like and let me know what sound therapies you use so that we can kind of share and bounce off of each other. The only other thing I can say is you don't want your sound therapy to become annoying to you, because what you're trying to do is get a respite from the noise. So if your sound therapy becomes annoying, switch it up, listen to something else, try music. Other than that, I would love to know about your tinnitus, what it sounds like, and what you do to take the edge off.